In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can automatically play the piano in Roblox. So this is a pretty cool thing that you can do if you want to play actual songs in Roblox, and it can impress people and be really cool. Now before I get into it, I want to say please make sure you watch this video the whole way through, pay close attention, and like and subscribe please. Now let's get right into this. So the first thing we want to do is we actually want to come onto Google Chrome here, or a Google browser, and we want to type in auto hotkey like this. Now from here we can click on here and we need to download this one here, and I'm just going to download this one here and we're going to install it. Okay, so we've actually now installed the auto hotkey software on the computer. I've installed it to my F drive. You can install it to any drive that you want and it should install pretty quickly. So now once we're here, we can actually go and click on the new script option over here, which is going to ask us to where we want to create the script. So I'm going to create an empty one. You can create it anywhere. I'm going to go to my F drive quickly. For the name, we want to put something like auto piano. That's what I'm going to put. And then we're ready to go ahead and click create. So now that we've actually got the file, we can right click and edit script, and it's going to look something like this. And then from here we need to put in a command line, or select Notepad like this and open it up like this. It's going to open up the script in Notepad. So you'll get a new Notepad file that looks something like this. Now there's a tons of different sort of what shall I say, like different types of music you can get, but I'm just going to show you one here and it'll be in the description if you do want to use it. So in here we're going to paste this script, and then we're going to actually click save, and that's going to save the script. So basically this will be press F4 to play music, press F8 to suspend / resume, and yeah, that's basically what we're going to do. Now we can save that and we can actually close that like I've just done here. Now we're going to we're going to right click on it actually, and we're going to click run script, and it's going to give us this sort of error here. So we're going to press yes, and we're going to auto install this. I'm going to press yes and give us a second, and it should automatically install this onto here. Okay, cool, it's now installed, very good. Now we can go ahead again, run script, and it's going to ask us for the music. So first of all, it's going to ask us for the piano delay. We can just put 100 in there. And we need to put now some music in here. You can find music everywhere. I'm just going to use this one, which again will be on the I'll put this in the description if you'd like to see it. So I've put the music in here like this, and then from there what we can actually do is we can go ahead and go into Roblox and start playing. So I'm going to go ahead into Roblox. I'm going to make sure this is open, hit F4. Oops, just need to pause that, F8 to pause. Just going to undo that and post it back in again. Now you can press F4 and you can actually click into the game, and then it should resume the keys right here. So as you can see, I'm actually playing it here, just like I said. And then we can actually end it if we want to by pressing F8, or we can just wait, play it, and see if anybody comes over and listens to our music, which would be pretty cool. But you can see there, I've just quit out there quickly, and I might go over to someone else's piano and see if they want to hear our music. So let's have a look. Let's go over here and see if they want to listen to our music. We can't get onto that piano. I'll find one. Well, nobody wants me to play them a song, but that's how you basically do it. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thanks for watching.